I fell off the chair. I fell off the chair. My shoes are muddy. My shoes are muddy. I spilled my drink. I spilled my drink. I burnt my shirt with the iron. I burnt my shirt with the iron. My fruit is bruised. My fruit is bruised. My car won't start. My car won't start. My headphones are tangled. My headphones are tangled. My shirt is wrinkled. My shirt is wrinkled. The light bulb is damaged. The light bulb is damaged. My toothpaste is empty. My toothpaste is empty. My favorite shirt is stained. My favorite shirt is stained. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. My TV is not working. My TV is not working. My bag is heavy. My bag is heavy. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. My socks are wet. My socks are wet. I dropped my ice cream. I dropped my ice cream. My watch is broken. My watch is broken. My glasses are dirty. My glasses are dirty. My closet is messy. My closet is messy. My rice is burnt. My rice is burnt. My ice cream melted. My ice cream melted. My blanket is too warm. My blanket is too warm. My mirror is cracked. My mirror is cracked. My garbage bin is full. My garbage bin is full. My vase is broken. My vase is broken. My plant is wilting. My plant is wilting. My doorbell isn't working. My doorbell isn't working. My door handle is loose. My door handle is loose. My iron isn't heating up. My iron isn't heating up. My printer is out of ink. My printer is out of ink. My window won't close. My window won't close. My soap is slippery. My soap is slippery. My drawer is jammed. My drawer is jammed. My TV remote batteries are dead. My TV remote batteries are dead. My shoe rack is full. My shoe rack is full. My vegetables are wilted. My vegetables are wilted.